you're back. Today we're gonna be making delicious lentils. It's gonna be a lentil soup, Mexican style. We're gonna need about 16 ounces or 1 pound of dried lentils. This is how the lentils look like. Whenever you purchase your lentils, you wanna go through them, make sure they're clean. By clean, I mean they don't have any of those little rocks that you see right there. I went through mine and this is what I found. These were pieces of rock that the lentils weren't cleaned good. So you just want to make sure you clean your lentils before you start cooking. To cook the lentils, we're gonna need salt. I have 1 clove of garlic and about 1/8 of an onion. Make sure you get the part of the onion where it's still together. We want that place so it'll be easy to take out from the lentils. To season the lentils, we're gonna need about 1/4 of a cup of diced onions, 4 tomatoes that we're gonna dice up, and about 1 cup of cilantro that we're gonna cut as well. We're gonna start off by cutting our tomatoes. And we're gonna cut our cilantro as well. This is why it's called the Mexican style lentils, because it has the Mexican flag colors, green, white, and red. Here I have 9 cups of water that are starting to boil. We're gonna add our lentils. These lentils, I've already washed them. As you can see, they are a little bit wrinkly. You just wanna rinse them out until the water comes out clear. Again, like I said, I found those rocks in my lentils, so you never know if they have already been washed or not. We are also gonna add the salt. Remember, salt is to your taste. We're gonna add the piece of onion where this is still together. And the garlic. We're gonna cover this up and we're gonna let it boil. We're gonna let the lentils cook and boil for about 10 minutes and then we're gonna come back and check it. Okay, so as you can see, our lentils have been boiling for about 10 minutes. We're gonna check them at this time. They have almost double the size of what we had. It's a nice and easy recipe that you can make within 30 minutes. It cooks really quickly and it tastes delicious. You want to touch it and make sure it's soft. We're gonna lower the volume to as low as it can go. And we're gonna cook the rest of the things. Here on our smaller pan, we're gonna add a little bit of oil. We're gonna add the onion. We're gonna add the tomatoes. And we're gonna cover it. We're gonna see how they are right now. I was letting this saute here for about 5 minutes. Now we're checking it. As you can see, it turns like this. Now we're gonna add our cilantro. Let all this combine for a little bit. I'll let it boil for another minute, and now this is ready. We're gonna add it to the rest of the lentils. Okay, so we have our lentils here. Now we're gonna add what we just sauteed. First, you wanna remove the whole garlic and the onion. That's why it's important for you to have it together, to have that little piece at the end, so I can help you get it all at once. And we're gonna add our mixture. Add a little bit of water. If your soup needs a little bit more salt, go ahead and add it at this time. There it is. We're gonna let it boil for another 2 minutes to get all the ingredients together. Okay, so we let it boil for another 2 minutes. All the ingredients have now been all mixed. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Comment down below what other recipes you want me to make. And I'll see you on the next time. Bye!